Hi friends, welcome to my channel Baby Wolfie, your gateway to a liberated financial future. So discover Baby Wolfie, the latest innovation from World Liberty Financial, combining secure tokenomics with a strong focus on community engagement. Baby Wolfie offers a pathway to financial freedom and growth, finance a new standard in safety and transparency while joining a thriving ecosystem dedicated to your financial success. So here you can see it's a contact address from which you can easily buy its token. So guys, Baby Wolfie's features have safe tokenomics, community engagement, security, freedom and growth are available here. So in safe tokenomics, Baby Wolfie employs a well-structured tokenomics model designed to ensure stability and sustainability by implementing mechanisms such as liquidity locking and transaction tax redistribution. Baby Wolfie aims to protect investor and enhance long-term value. In community engagement, we prioritize a strong active community. Baby Wolfie foster engagement through regular updates, open communication channels and interactive events. Our community driven approach allows holders to have a say in the project future and build a vibrant supportive network. In security is a top priority with Baby Wolfie. Our token is built on a secure blockchain BSC infrastructure with comprehensive auditing process to prevent vulnerabilities. We implement advanced security protocols to safeguard against potential threats and ensure that your assets are protected. In Freedom, Baby Wolfie is designed to provide users with new opportunities for financial independence by leveraging decentralized finance DeFi principles. Our tokens helps users manage and grow their assets with greater control and fewer barriers. So guys, in growth, our token is built for long-term growth with the strategic partnerships, innovative features and a focus on scalability. Baby Wolfie is positioned to expand its ecosystem and value. We are committed to continuous development and enhancement to maximize potential returns for our community. So here in phase 1 of roadmap, establishing the website and social community channels, conducting and analyzing the market white paper, developing initial marketing campaigns to attract potential investors, hosting AMAs to engage with the community, smart contract implementing and conducting a contract audit for security and reliability. In phase 2, initiating market campaigns, collaborating with influencers and key opinion leader in the crypto space to expand the reach, establishing partnerships with other meme projects, fostering cross promotion and collaborative initiatives, DEX platform trending, CMC and CG listing, organizing community events, contests and giveaways to incentivize participation and attract new members, 5,000 holders. In third phase, initial marketing campaign, applying for centralized exchange CEX listing, develop and launch Baby Wolfie tokens on ecosystem D app, organizing more community events and giveaways to enhance the holders experience, 10,000 holders. In phase 4, initiating marketing campaigns focusing on expanding Baby Wolfie tokens presence in key global market, establishing localized communities and language specific communication channels, collaborating with global influencers, media outlets and industry associations to build trust and credibility, developing strategic partnerships with the established projects or organizations in targets markets, continuously improve users experience and optimize the token's utility to attract a broader users base, plus to 20,000 holders. So guys, in our partners PinkSale, DexView, DexTools, PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, TechScreener and PoCoin are given here. In the last, you can see its social media communities and its white paper. So in white paper you can see its introduction, its contract address with its mission, its vision. You can see its vision, mission to become a globally trusted cryptocurrency that empowers individuals with financial freedom through a secure, decentralized, and community-driven ecosystem. Baby Wolfie envision a future where financial barriers are removed, providing equal access to innovative financial tools and opportunities, reshaping the global financial landscape with transparency and inclusion. In our mission is to provide a secure, fair, and innovative financial platform that prioritizes community interests, drive mass adoption through strategic partnerships and marketing, and promotes long-term growth and trust with compromising transparency or decentralization. Through continuous development and professional leadership, we aim to make Baby Wolfie a cornerstone on the new financial era. So do not miss the chance. You want to be an investor here. So guys, next you can see in the white paper its roadmap, its tokenomics, and many more things also. You must read out the whole white paper so that you can understand the whole project. So guys, in the last you can see its social media communities. So on Telegram you can see it have 1641 members, in which 354 are online. So you must join this community, same as you can see it's a Twitter community where you can get its updates as a form of tweet, so you can retweet them to get help. Hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.